Lesson 13. Three-dimensional objects and nets. Three-dimensional objects are objects whose length, width and height can be seen, felt or measured. For example, books, glasses. Objects which have only length and breadth and no thickness or negligible thickness can be called two-dimensional objects. For example, pictures on paper. Actually, objects are three-dimensional, but their pictures on paper are two-dimensional. That is why some pictures seem flat. Here, the first column shows a structure made of blocks. The other column shows different views of the structure in two dimensions. Say whether each view is from the front, from a side or from above. So, this is block information. This view is from the front. This view is from a side. This view is from above. In this block, this view is from above. This view is from a side. This view is from the front. In this block, this view is from a side. This view is from the front. This view is from above. Now we'll see about nets. The two-dimensional shape from which a three-dimensional object can be made by folding is called the net of that object. Here, by folding the cardboard is shown along the lines shown in it. We get a three-dimensional object, that is box. In this shape, all surfaces are square. An object of this shape is called a cube. Now here, by folding along the lines in this net and joining the edges to each other, we can see that a three-dimensional box is formed. The surfaces of this box are rectangular in shape. An object of this shape is called a cuboid. And this is a 5-square net, that is pentomino. Here 5 squares of the same size are placed together with their sides joined. Such an arrangement of 5 squares is called a 5-square net or a pentomino. By folding along the edges of such a 5-square net, an open box is formed.